All right, folks, did you know February is Heart Month? Well, it is. And certified executive chef Simone Walker Barrett, no stranger to us here on Smile, and the burning force behind the monthly Street Food Saturdays Riverside Pop-Up Kitchen. And she's going to prepare a heart-healthy dish for us with the other white meat. So the first white meat is chicken. The other one is?
Pork, of course.
Pork, of course. Morning.
Good morning.
Welcome once again.
Thank you for having me.
All right, talk us through what
So
you do.
I'm going to be showing you how to, we're going into that season where everybody feel a little more health conscious. You want to get off carbs. So if you're tired of chicken, we have the other white meat, which is pork. And this morning I'm using the very, very tender cut. It's called pork tenderloin. This is easy to find in any supermarket. So this dish is going to take like 3 minutes. So we're doing pork for our protein.
3 minutes from start to finish?
Yeah.
But this is after you season up the meat
this
and all
is
kind of
after.
thing.
So I got mine cut up already. I have some seasoning on it, just a little salt and pepper. I have sweet pepper, onion, and celery. Pak choy, easy to find. Some cauliflower and some string beans. Everything I'm using is very, very easy to find.
Why the cauliflower look yellow?
So white look yellow. I'll tell you off air. White look yellow.
Because it don't normally look yellow.
Yeah, that's correct. So our pot now is nice and hot. When you're doing a stir fry, you want to make sure that the pot is hot. So
Before
in
you
here,
before you even put
yes,
anything
we
in
have
there.
some vegetable oil. So I'm just going to add the pork pieces, and we're hearing that sizzle. That's what I want to hear. Now, a lot of time people think that pork is red meat. It's not. It's white meat. And depending on the cut of pork, like this one, this is pork tenderloin. So this cook literally in the same time that a chicken breast would take to cook. So it cooks very easy.
It don't look right, do it?
Well, after it cooks, it's because of the seasoning that is on it, make it look a little pinkish. So in this pot, just to move it along, I'm adding a little bit more oil, and then I'm going to start adding the vegetables.
Right.
So I'm adding some bell
I
peppers.
don't put everything in the same pot.
I will, but I don't want to run out of time. So this is my plan to make sure that I get the dish ready for you.
You know the television.
Yes.
Aye.
So we're just going to move this
But
around.
you could just put everything.
You could just put everything.
That's what stir fry kind of
yes.
do, don't?
So normally we would just put the meat in and just get it cooked halfway, and then we add everything else to that.
Right.
So I'm just kind of moving it along by doing it in 2 pots.
Yeah.
Now this is easy if you don't want to eat any carbs. If you don't eat pork, you can eat chicken. If you don't eat meat, you can do this with shrimp. If you don't eat any meat at all, any seafood, you can just do this as with just the vegetables and maybe some nuts. So this is almost ready. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some flavor. This is some garlic and some Scotch bonnet pepper. Just move that around. And as soon as you add the garlic and pepper, you can start smelling that, that deliciousness. We're going to add some pak choy in. And then we're going to add our cauliflower and green beans. And we're just going to put this right back.
And now it's a stir fry.
And now it is our stir fry.
Yeah,
so this was my little insurance policy, just to make sure
that it finished on time. This is fermented black beans. This is where we're going to get our flavor from. And this is a little light soy. And over here, yes, so as opposed to dark soy. The dark soy make the vegetables look brown. And we want to keep their color. And this is some oyster sauce right here. So this is where we're going to be getting the predominant flavor. And in here is just a little bit of Chinese cooking wine. And then we're going to combine... Chinese cooking wine.
Chinese cooking wine, you can find that in the Chinese section of the supermarket.
Yeah, but it has to be that kind of wine?
It's better based on where we're going with the flavor profile. We're kind of in Asia now, so we kind of keeping everything Asian.
Beautiful, yeah, man.
So
eat some pork this morning.
This is done and done. One other little trick, what I did was to blanch the vegetables ahead of time. So when you go to the store, you can just bring your vegetables to a boil after you prep them and cool them down and just put them in the fridge, so when you come home, this is easy. So our stir fry is ready.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. Yeah. And isn't this beautiful?
It is.
If you're into eating carbs, you could have this with some noodles. You can also have this with quinoa. You can have this with rice. But today we're off carbs today, so we're just having vegetables and protein.
And it's quick and easy.
It's very quick and easy.
We're going to plate now.
We're going to put this into our plate.
And then we're going to eat some pork.
So we're going to share out
We're done
of the serving for Neville. Make sure we have a little bit of all the
Yeah,
veggies.
man. Sheffield eat pork?
Yes, I do.
No, Sheffield, man.
Oh, okay. And just get some green veg
Him only
on
say,
there.
him say no, man. The man lie, man. The man work, man. Richard
And
eat pork.
that is that. And this could serve a family of 4 easily.
Yeah.
Or if not, you could just have 2 days lunch and 2 days dinner
No,
out of
man.
it.
Family of 4, Sheffield, Clive, O'Dane. No, I'm going to think everybody. Everybody
And
eat
this
pork?
is what our stir
Yeah,
fry
everybody.
looks like.
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
a little fork
We're
here.
ready. We're ready.
And you can use whatever vegetables that are available to you. Today I choose these because these were available to me. But if you're just into cabbage, it could have just been cabbage. It could have been with bell peppers. It could be with broccoli. Anything you want. Green beans are always inexpensive and in the market. So too is pop choy. So you can choose your vegetables.
Yeah, man. Fantastic. Thank you so much for coming. And
Thank you for
your
having me.
the street
Yes, we do
food
have
Saturday.
Street Food Saturdays in the hills of Mount James. And the next one is going to be on February 29th. We start at 12 and we end at 6. So you can find us on Instagram at Street Food Saturdays and on Facebook at Street Food Saturdays. And let us know you'll be picnicking with us. And, you know, just come on up and enjoy some good food.
All right. Go eat the pork, you know. All right. Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Certified Executive Chef of Street Food Saturdays, Simone Walker Barrett. So the 4 family members, Sheffield, Clive, O'Dane, and Khadid.
So you're not going to taste it?
Yeah,
Taste-
man.
taste
When
the
we go
veg.
for the break, I went work up everything. Don't worry about it.
All right.
We're so cold.